Hey everybody, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. So this is a Lifetime Adventure Tower playset. There's 4 boxes. This will be an unboxing. There's a link in the description where you can find this item. Let's get to it. Let's check it out. This Adventure Tower playset comes in 4 boxes when you order it, and it does come on a pallet. So I've got box 1, box 2, box 3, and box 4. We're going to go ahead and start by opening box 1. Okay, here we go with box 1. Like, we got a lot of our frame and our initial setup parts right here. Like our legs and supports. A lot of the rock wall. Got some of your swing stuff. Alright, I'm going to move box 1 to the top and bottom here, just so we have room for box 2 a little bit. Alright, that's all of box 1. Alright, let's move on to box 2. Here's box 2. We have our whole bunch of bolts and parts, tons and tons of those. Got some more supports and braces. Some monkey bars. A couple of more supports or braces or brackets. Like some more swings and stuff right here. like some legs and supports. And that's everything in box 2. Alright, let's open up box 3, see what we got. Like box 3 is the top and a lot of the walls. And we got the instructions right there. So here's the instructions. Here's the top of the playset. And our assembly guide. Right, time to open our last box, box 4. Just gonna open the end of it. And it turns out to be a slide. Awesome kid slide right there. Just 2 pieces. Here's a little bit closer look after the unboxing. Here's boxes 1 and 2, all of your parts. Everything all laid out. Here is box 3. And box 4 with the slide. And our bolts for it. That is everything in the box. Hopefully this unboxing video has been really helpful for you. Be sure and like and subscribe to the channel. Also give it a big thumbs up. Check out these other videos I've got going on. And I'll catch you guys later.